Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I completely forgot to make an intro to this video, so I figured I'd pop on and do it now, but I just want to start out by saying thank you so much for all the support I've been receiving on these looks. You guys have no idea how much that means to me. And you know, I never expected to have an audience, and here you guys all are, and that is just so crazy to me. So without wasting too much of your time, let's get into the video. Oh, and also, this is my first video, guys, so don't judge me. Alright guys, so off camera I started off by gluing down my eyebrows to keep an overall smooth surface. I then went in with black eyeshadow to map out the details of the character. The one that I'm using is the black shadow from the Nye Black Eye Shadow palette. It's really opaque but soft enough to smear away if you make a mistake. It's always really handy to use a reference image that may sound like common sense, but it's easy to overlook. Always keep Q-tips on hand for when you make mistakes, because you will. This is the perfect opportunity to remind you to think of your angles when mapping out the overall image. From this orientation, it looks like the lining's off, but straight on it's accurate, so always keep your angle in mind. Here you see me close my eye as I go over it with a line, and that's because when you close your eye, it stretches the skin around it. And I know that for this look I need my eyes closed, so that's the way that I'm laying it out. I usually like to start off with the undertone color before I go in with the final color. That's why you see me using pink here. Especially for Mr. Krabs, because he's not a true red in my opinion, he's more of a pinky red. For my paints, I almost always use the Mehron Paradise Palette. I like it because it has a lot of color options and they're super opaque, so you don't have to do a lot of layering. This palette lasts forever. After filling in his shirt and the final coat of red on his shell, I fill in the tongue, teeth, eyes, and pants. My two favorite steps when doing these cartoon looks are filling in the background space and outlining the defining features. It just really makes the character come to life. Here you see me apply the tops of the eyes. So I make these from cardstock paper, and to apply them I use Spirit Gum. So you're going to want to wait a few minutes for this to get tacky before you stick them on. My boyfriend walked in during this dance and I almost cracked my face off. Alright guys, that's the end of the tutorial. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And give me some tough critiques. I want to know what I need to work on. Alright, thanks guys. See ya.